How to upgrade premium on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can upgrade to premium on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, upgrading to premium on Spotify is actually very simple. You just go to spotify.com and log into the account where you want to upgrade to. Remember, I'm talking about logging in from your browser, not the app, because the app on iOS does not have that feature. So you open up spotify.com, log in, and then you just tap the gear icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Here, one of the options you'll find right here is known as premium. So just tap on that little premium button there, and as you tap on that premium option, you should be able to see this type of interface where you can view all the premium plans here. Now just select the plan that you want and then tap on get premium option, and all you have to do now is to simply enter your PayPal or your credit or debit card details. So depending upon what is it that you like, you can simply select that. I'm assuming most of you are going to go with credit or debit card. Then enter your card number, the expiration date, the security code. You can also save the card and then tap the buy now option to buy Spotify Premium. This way you can upgrade Spotify Premium. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.